What a gorgeous spring day it is today. Just been walking around out there in my t-shirt. I've now got to go to a shop to go and pick up an eBay parcel. Can see what mayhem is going on with this coronavirus thing. Been to the shop and picked up my parcel. Got a few supplies. And strangely, the shop wasn't heaving. The shelves were full. Plenty there. Yeah, wasn't so bad. Just picked up this, which is a spare battery for the Osmo Action. I was going to go for a nice walk up there in that valley. Traffic up there in that valley, well, down there in that valley, there's a woods with an old ruined chapel. It's pretty much hidden, and it's got an altar and a big wooden cross, and it's supposed to be quite a special place. I'll probably go and have a look at that tomorrow or the day after. But the sun's out, it's a gorgeous day, I've got a gorgeous view, and I really need to make the most of the sun power and catch up on some editing. My laptop is quite power hungry, so I need the solar power coming in when I'm using it. But what a view, eh? This is my breakfast for today. It's just uncooked porridge oats with my own makeup of nuts, dried fruit, sunflower seeds, and some fresh sliced banana. And I'm just going to add some milk to it. Nice and healthy. Well, I had a relatively peaceful night in the lay-by until I got rudely awoken by somebody driving into my van and then driving off. They haven't caused any damage, it was just a little knock. I looked out this curtain, saw them doing a U-turn in the lay-by and then drive off. Nice night down here though. Thankfully there's only a little tap where they hit there. No damage caused. It's one way to wake up. Right, now I'm off travelling. I've got to go and pick up a new diesel heater because the bearings are shot in this one. Get that fitted, top up with water and go off again. Just a quick one. I say go off again. I'm gonna go and do what I've got to do and then come back to this area because I want to go and investigate that chapel that's over there somewhere. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. So go run my errands and then get back down there. Well, that's 2 videos produced and rendering at the moment. I had to shut the door because of traffic noise. But I'm going to call it that for today. I've got a few more videos to go up before this one. You'll probably see this one around about Thursday, Friday, maybe Saturday. I'm going to try and get out sort of 3 or 4 vlogs a week now. Thanks for joining me.